Hi, GC News. Bima Olivia Akwaba. The latest and hot news in Kwa. And I'm a Bremo. And so when you subscribe, ya. What say over subscribe. Now, like no share video. You say over click the subscribe button. Now, our belly notification. Where the side video be upload. With the first person on Sabeka a video. I feel we are now one like video. Give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Chairman of Frosuna, will you be here and summer coso, and walk on a memoir? I feel young share and summer abeto your proso. Yet, yes, Uncle Moya El Coso, yet, and some week.
Honorable, memoir channel pay.
Your major so many of the Yabako.
Bokon also,
Yamiadom.
Now, me was social media, revelations be out the big who say, Kwabena Agyapong. Now claim say onya ba contract ni ade ba contract bi a oye supply no to the tune of 7 million Ghana cedis na bibia ehwehwe so enkomo yi emu nchiremu ni sei
yo medase edeka in mamenchi atefo nyana na OKF member mo abaso ejuma pa moye aboa omaino I'm say a few days ago and news portals, various news portals, widely reported or more attached video. Reverend Victor Kusi Boateng, or a second identity, or when he's operating under that second identity, being a Kwabena Agyapong.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
2 years
you are
apart.
Watching Juicy News
Different
on
biological
YouTube.
mother.
Hot news all
Different
time.
diplomatic passport and all of that. And news na me kan and a video na me share na or state emphatically say no crisis President Akufo Addo yanadamfo, Vice President Bawumia yanadamfo. Nanso onya government contract that he even added say a buying NTN $1 crada. He has never benefited from any government contract. And me home sa video no and attached videos about prophecies or say because of that the prophecies a genuine yes say wanya contract be intina or prophesy say Bawumia be winning NDC be losing up to 24 seats and all of that.
Why yeah prophecy be to that effect on?
Yes.
Okay.
And Okad is also say the prophecy and your contract induced and you say when your contract be na wajisika be from government Indiana all those prophecies and a genuine independent prophecies na all and I decided to carry out diligent parliamentary oversight to check also or a number of companies were registered more than 15 companies under the two different identities or operate as Victor Kusi Boateng or set of companies or operate as Kwabena Agyapong or companies were registered in those identities and for the sake of records and accuracy my main mouth the list and it's operate as Victor Kusi Boateng, Reverend Victor Kusi Boateng. Companies now were registered the following: Duna Media Production, Caris Consortium Limited, Caris Football Academy FC Limited, L Dunamis Media Limited, On Point One Laundry Limited, Vibrant Generation Chapel Worldwide LBG, and Dunamis Chapel Worldwide LBG. Or operate as Kwabena Agyapong, or a unique team, unique date of birth, and all of that. The companies are as follows: L Dunamis Limited, JNS Talent Center Limited, the 4 B's Company Limited, Anibis Petroleum Limited, Great Speed Engineering and Construction Limited, New Wave
You are
Limited,
watching Juicy News on
Lloyd
YouTube.
General
Hot news
and
all
Risk
time.
Limited,
You are watching
and
Juicy News on
Dunamis
YouTube.
Insurance
Hot news all
Brokers
time.
Limited. Enti may decide this information now there to just say or no there on your government contract my main share the records of government contracts as per these companies are or yet the director or no now or only or no now yet beneficial owner the company no yet business account account of these companies come to him yet company in the car media or no now or benefiting from the profits of the proceeds of this company. Enti Shemuna Mayeno met to me state categorically without any equivocation say the Reverend Victor Kusi Boateng Kayano and yet no credit. The record shows so far just in 1 year 2021 Mensah made National Cathedral payments no back on no there are matters in court and there are matters that I have expressed earlier into no there is not the 2.6 million payments and the National Cathedral no there any new but at latest discovery the fresh discovery my and it's 2021 buying Reverend Victor Kusi Boateng the company your friend El Dunamis Limited. Now interestingly that is the company operated as Kwabena Gyamfi or Moma no contract to supply tissues paper towels valued at 3.5 million Ghana cedis. Now Osha payment record what Ministry of Finance Ministry of Finance for Omutia Nika 17th August 2021. 17th August 2021. And the second company, JNS Talent Center Limited, almost the same quantity and the same value, 3.5 million Ghana cedis to supply paper towels. That company was also paid on the 23rd of July 2021. And these two payments at the Bomwa were 7 million Ghana cedis from government, ostensibly to supply paper towels and our tissues.
Okay.
And interestingly, Oko Records anymore. It wasn't a competitive process, just single source or more friends.
But sir, it is done. And I'm
you are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
This
news
single
all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Contracts,
news all time.
Under which it has to be done. But Yenim says, it is the most abused law. Sole sourcing, single sourcing, most abuse. And the sad part, and they say, spiritual, I don't know how he calls the other spiritual sons or spiritual allies or no. During their campaign, Omoka said, Omoba power, this sole sourcing. So, okay, they made it a major campaign issue. Sole sourcing. Because of that, we don't get value for money. Because and you're competitive. And it's not competitive. You are not able to beat down the price. People are not competing. And OSHA, the single source provisions are very limited, under very limited circumstances. Now, so, to say, OSHA Auditor General's report, every sector, the single source contract, endorsing, change the competitive ones. Competitive ones have become so few. OSHA, even the road sector. Recently, Ubekaya discussed Cocoa Road Auditor General's report. The Auditor General discovered it's only about 13% of the contracts that are competitive. Over 65% were non-competitive. And it's the same thing happening here. Kwabena Edu Gyamfi, Reverend Victor Kusi Boateng, a man of single source contract. And the latest expose, they say, the claims by Reverend Victor Kusi Boateng are on one or Kwabena Edu Gyamfi, because that has been confirmed. Indeed, or they may call court. The courts have all confirmed that he has no basis, because evidence now may cry irrefutable, totally unimpeachable, unassailable. It is impeccable, and you cannot do anything about it. You have been exposed. Indeed, the Human Rights Court said that his conduct borders on criminality. Said there why a criminal. That's why I am so shocked. Say up to now, if Ghana is not a banana republic, if we don't have a discriminatory police hierarchy, I do not understand for the life of me why this gentleman has not been arrested and why he is not being prosecuted. Because Master Tike say Aremeyaw Anka, we are rotting in jail by now, and yet this is somebody who goes about all kinds of air.
Honorable.
The fact of the matter is a statement now, say on benefit on your contract beer, he's never got any contract from this Akufo Bawumia
Hot news all time. You are watching
palpable
Juicy News
falsehood.
on YouTube. Hot news all time.
On a lighter note, maybe he means to say, the other identity, no, say, or pretty as Kusi Boateng, and no dear, on your contract beer. Technically, he may be right on a lighter note, but the fact of the matter is the second identity as Kwabena Edu Gyamfi a year on one, the companies have benefited, and I shudder to imagine how 7 million Ghana cedis worth of tissues look like. But that is the fact, according to your records, the finances of our country. That is the fact. On to me and dispute say we are benefiting from this government when your contract. Some now all cancel on your contract and the prophecies are not contract induced, and yet because we're receiving contracts. He should stop saying it because he has been exposed. The facts do not support claims all year.
Now, Mammy, Adiwi, will be back to say, obedi for it. Na obedi for it no ebi a obi am bidibi ena wono kwa bedi ya na ye tam de man no ena obeka se adwuma so a waye supplies waye 7 million de a wo kan ena oman so atua ne ka eti wono no ne bone a waye ne sei
minia fact of the matter is a single source no yeah fraud sir, but it's just any competitive. That is the fact. But this whole matter will not have arisen. Onona ode asem aba. Impenyifo ne ka say asem pe nipa ne pe asem. Ye nyina yeti ye baby. Wan ko ka say ono de on ye government contractor. Akufo Addo Bawumia government we omo ye na damfo but omo man no contractor. Anka wan ko ka say asem na. Because as citizens, we have every right, every calling to make sure, sir, within the national discourse, it is driven by truth, by fact. As I say, and when you make statements, they must be subjected to strict proof. We must be sure, sir, the awokano and ukre. Ente ono na wakwako tam assembly aba. Anka wanka efe say ono de on year government contract the other. Akufo Addo Bawumia government we omo man a contractor. Wanko kasa asem na anka we will not be compelled to carry out these latest investigations and to put out the facts. Anka the waka eyenukre we will have stated say okay the waka eyenukre Reverend Minister he has stated something that is factual. We will have said that. But after our diligent checks, parliamentary oversight, you cannot benefit from government contracts, over 7 million Ghana cedis, and then you go around claiming that what you won't benefit from any government contract, and that profit is now woman, and yet because of the contracts you have received. Or no ankasa, and or the same way aba. Anka, if he did not put this out, and he did not dare us, and he did not compel us to go and carry out further inquiries, Anka, we would not be here.
Now when per the one year our contract in Unia the Adiano, one elements of corruptible acts be one.
Oh, OSHA, the course now a clear abuse of the Public Procurement Act, clear abuse. And you can say that the woes of
watching Juicy News on
are
YouTube.
worsening by the
Hot
day.
news all
Because
time.
already,
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Big matter to address. This issue of identity fraud. Human Rights Court, what kind of judgment now? The judge did not mince words. Or say they are a criminal. And I know at the right time, when credible leaders of various investigative bodies take over and decide to apply the law without fear or favor, the justice will be done. So I don't believe in a country where there are two sets of citizens. Some are above the law, some get away even with murder, literally, and then others are consistently harassed, and pursued. And clearly, at the right time, we've shared judgments in our courts at the various courts. All these institutions pretending they are not aware, they don't see what is going on because of personal connections. The right time, he will answer those questions. But clearly, his woes are compounding with all of these other revelations emerging in terms of the violations of our Procurement Act and all of these sleazy deals, dubious contracts, but as I indicated, he is the one inviting all of this scrutiny and all of these troubles upon himself. Obia and Sumano say, on koye categorical statements, on no dear, on your government contract there. He went to say it, and he dared us to carry out the checks. And checks are he has been exposed. One cannot correct. That is the fact.
I see. Now, and Akufo Addo say, party be opposition house, Akufo way, you be make sure, say, you do almost abba, mrenim no almost ababedi. Obaya, bedu on so na, I actually din, Akufo problem, no.
Oh, don't worry. Sir, people can have all kinds of predictions. But the basic Utie Ghana for Usha research in our course all the polls that have gone on. Ghana for MPN said the next government will not make sure that there is accountability and people answer for their crimes against the people. And you are coming to cut deals, you are coming to allow people to go off the hook and all of that. One check. Where the air Kosovo Kenya, where the air Kosovo Nigeria, there is a wind blowing. People want, because one cleaning up system now, a church also person obey the same thing. And now obey worse. Actually, you will even be worse than what you have inherited. And there is no way next government will be allowed by the people, and even by you're part of that government, no matter what role, even if we are just ordinary MPs advising. I don't see how the next government will be allowed to, because you see the impunity, the blatant, because that's what has brought us where we are. Ghana, I am broke, I am bankrupt, I am insolvent. For the first time in our history, domestic debt exchange program. For the first time in our history, financial haircut. Senior citizens can get access to their life savings, to their the returns on their bonds, their investments. Because of all of this looting, the economic mismanagement, a culmination of that, and yaba bedru bebi ayawo. The only way for us to restore confidence in our democracy and to prevent a conflagration, an uprising by the people, is to make sure that there is accountability and all those who have engaged in wrongdoing answer for their conduct. That's the only way forward, Minia.
I see. Mamena was saying, pay.
Yo, Mr. Miras.
Yes, said as a pa, honorable Samuel Okudzeto ablakwa, and the no I drink of
no, it's for we answer my appetite also. Because this so and I will have no. So we can subscribe here. But what do I say? Over subscribe. So I say had the latest and hot news in Ghana. Bremo. I feel so we are now like video and share more for so any dinner one share. Also, bit me actually what you fire and some way now. I work on it boxing over to Mingabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.